to solve this problem. In triangle ABC, AD is the median and AE is perpendicular to BC. Then prove that AB square plus AC square is equal to 2AD square plus 1 by 2 BC square. This is one of the question we got it from previous year question paper. This question I got as a request. Let's get into that. So, what they have given, you have to write first. Given. What they have given here? AD is the median. Median means what? AD is the median. Median means what? From opposite vertex, you have to draw the line to the midpoint of the base here. So, D is the midpoint means you can write BD is equal to DC. Correct? BD is equal to DC because D is the midpoint here. Now, and AE is perpendicular to BC they have given. That is what they have given. And we need to prove here, what we need to prove here, this full. AB square plus AC square is equal to 2AD square plus 1 by 2 BC square. This is what we need to prove here. Right? Now, AB square and AC square you have to get it. Start with the proof here. AB square and AC square we have to get it. So for that I am considering here AE is perpendicular to BC, right? AB square, which triangle we will get? Triangle ABE. Angle E is 90 degree. Here we are going to use Pythagoras theorem. So proof will start in triangle. Here it is a Pythagoras theorem. Right angle triangle. So I am writing like this. AE, middle will be the right angle will come. AEB, right? Angle AEB is equal to 90 degree. Only one time I will write. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. So, hypotenuse square means what? AB square. Opposite to right angle will be the hypotenuse. So, AB square is equal to AE square plus BE square. Put that equation number 1. Now, which one you have to get? AC you have to get it. Which triangle you have to consider? Consider the triangle AEC, right? In triangle AEC, same angle. AEC is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, we can write what? Opposite to 90 degree, it is AC here. So, AC square is equal to AE square plus CE square. Put that equation number 2. Now, add equation 1 plus 2. Why we are adding here? We need to prove here AB square plus AC square. So, I am adding here LHS separately, RHS separately. So, LHS if you are adding, what you will get? AB square plus AC square is equal to AE square plus BE square plus AE square plus CE square. Now we see here 2 times AE square is there. So you can write 2AE square plus BE I am writing as total BD minus DE, you will get BE. Understood? Total BD in this minus DE if you are doing, you will get BE. So I am writing BD minus DE the whole square plus CE the same way. How will you write here? CD plus DE. CD plus DE will be the CE. DC we can write DC plus DE the whole square. Right. Now, here we are using the identity A minus B the whole square and A plus B the whole square and expand it. What is A minus B the whole square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. A plus B the whole square is equal to A square. Here it is minus A square minus 2AB plus B square. Here A square plus 2AB plus B square. This is what the two identities we are using here, right? So I will continue in the next page here. So I am just writing the last sentence here. That is AB square plus AC square is equal to 2AE square plus BD minus DE the whole square plus DC plus DE the whole square. Now we will just expand this using the identity. Which identity we have to use here? A minus B the whole square and A plus B the whole square, right? So 2AE square plus BD square minus 2 into BD into DE plus DE square plus, this is expanding by A plus B the whole square. So DC square plus 2 into DC into DE plus DE square. Now you see, here also one DE square, here also one DE square. So I am just grouping here 2AE square plus 2DE square plus BD square plus DC square minus 2 into BD into DE plus 2 into DC into DE. Now you see here, BD and DC, how will you write? You know, BC is equal to BD plus DE, right? BC is equal to BD plus DE. Now, but BC plus DC, but we know that DC is equal to BD. Substituting that, what you will get? BC is equal to BD plus BD. That means BC is equal to 2BD. Now only BD we want. So 1 by 2 BC is equal to BD. The same way you can write 1 by 2 BC is equal to DC also. Clear? That is one thing. Now this one 2 common, right? So 2 into AE square plus DE square plus BD square, how we are going to write? Half into BC. So 1 by 2 BC the whole square plus DC also we are going to write 1 by 2 BC the whole square minus, here you see again I am telling DC is equal to BD, that means minus 2 into BD into DE plus 2 into BD into DE. Why? What is the reason? BC is equal to BD. So instead of DC I have written BD here. Now this is plus term and minus term, so it will be cancelled here. Now here you see, what is AE square plus DE square? We will see the diagram. You have to get this diagram in triangle AED. Consider the triangle AED. In triangle AED, apply Pythagoras theorem. What you will get? This is right angle, opposite will be the hypotenuse. So AD square is equal to AE square plus DE square. AE square plus DE square. So what you are getting here? AE square plus DE square, 2AD square. 2AD square. That is what we need to prove, right? 2AD square, we got it. Now remaining it is half BC square. So how will you get it? Plus 1 by 2 the whole square, right? So 1 by 2 it becomes 1 by 4 BC square plus 1 by 4 BC square it will come. So here we need to get is equal to 2AD square plus 2 times 1 by 4 BC square. So 2 into 1 by 4 BC square, right? Now 2 and 4 will be cancelled. You will get 1 by 2. So AB square plus AC square is equal to 2AD square plus 1 by 2 BC square. This is what you have to prove. So hence proved. I hope you understood video. Subscribe my channel if you are understanding my video. Thank you.